Remember when I showed you all how to use connectors in the design file in a video posted long time ago? Now there are more connectors we can use. I'll use the new one as an example. Alright, let's paste this to our design file from Figma. First, I'm going to change the start and end arrows to different styles. Let's us connect this from one point to another point with the connector. Feel free to add connector text if you want. Next, you'll realize that my connector won't move. I tried to drag it around, but it seemed stuck. Now, let's look at the side panel on the right. You can see that the scale section is activated. To fix the freezing issue, simply click close to exit scale mode. Now you can see, you can move your connector freely. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.